The tongue pop exercise targets the muscle of the tongue, increasing the muscle tone, reducing the collapsibility of the tongue, and promotes palatal tongue rest position. First, with the mouth open, place your tongue upwards against the hard palate, with the tip of your tongue behind the upper front teeth. Next, create suction between the tongue and the mouth palate. Hold the suction for about 1 second and flick your tongue off the mouth palate, making the pop sound. Do this 10 times. Relax your mouth for 5 seconds. You have completed 1 set of the exercise. Repeat the exercise 4 more times, for a total of 5 sets of exercise, with 5 seconds rest in between sets.